Okay, so let's get started with the first question here. We want to solve equation involving logarithm. We reviewed the property of logarithm last time. So let's just write down the first one we need today for solving this equation. If I have log of x plus log of y, let's say the base is here is b. Can somebody tell me what is this equal to? You can click on your microphone. You really need to know all the property of logarithm in order to expand them or write them in one log or solve for them. So anybody remember the first property, log of x plus log of y? Okay, if you don't know the answer, just put the x in front of your name. So I won't ask you the question. For those of you you're placing x in front of your name, you really need to go back and review the all these properties. Okay, let's see who can. Catherine, do you remember the formula?
Oh, this is what always gets me mixed up. It's the logarithms. So.
Okay. Well, let everybody make a note of this. Log of x plus log of y is equal to log of x times y with the same base b. That's the first one. Next one, if I have log of x minus log of y, can you really guess what would that be? Again, the base are the same. What do you think that would be? That would be log of what?
Log x minus y with a base of b.
Well, if it's sum, we multiply them. So if it's subtraction, divide, yeah. So the x over y. So that would be the base here. Okay, these are the two properties that we need to know. There's another one. If I have log of x to the power of n with the base b. Can somebody tell me what is this equal to? That would be what? Okay, looks like everybody needs to review the property of logarithm. This would be log of x with the base b. And then we can put this exponents right in front of the logarithm. So n goes right here. Okay. And there's one more. If I have log of x is equal to y with the base b, can somebody tell me how can we change this to the exponential? We did this last time too. So if you just reviewed the last session, everybody should know how to change this to exponential. Okay, see more students also logging in. Karen, I sent you a few emails, so make sure to talk to me at the end of the session regarding the email you sent me. Okay, anybody know how to change the logarithm to the exponential? Okay, let me take the X away from your names. How about this one? Anybody know how to change the logarithm into exponential? Okay, nobody? So the base of the logarithm would be the base of the exponential. So it would be b to the power of y is equal to x. That would be the x. Okay. So let's number these. This is property number 1. This is property number 2, property number 3, and property number 4. Which one of these properties are you going to use to solve here for x, anyone? Okay, if you typed that you don't have a microphone, that's okay, but I need to talk to you at the end of the session. I'm sorry, Katrin, what would you say?
Number 2.
Number 2? Mm-hmm. Right, that makes, yeah, very good. Number 2, because you get log of x plus log of y is equal to log of xy. So if I combine these two, that would give me log of what? Shabani, can you try that using property number 2 to combine these?
I'm not too sure. Is it? No, I don't know.
Well, look at this. Don't we have log of x? Here we're saying log of x plus log of y is equal to log of xy.
So it's log of 3?
Well, this is x, this is y, right?
Yeah.
So
2x.
2x, very good. That would be log of 2x is equal to 1 with the base 3. Simple as that. You just have to combine them. Okay, can I see a check mark in front of your name if you all can follow this? The first step is to combining the logs using property number 2. Okay. Check mark please if you all can follow up to this point. Alright, now I need to solve for x. To solve for x, I have to write this in exponential. So which property do I have to use now? Elizabeth, do you have a microphone tonight? Okay, if you don't have a microphone, just type your answer. Which property are we going to use to change this to the exponential? Property number 1, 2, 3, or 4? Okay, Shabani says property number 1. Yeah, exactly, because that's the only property here we have to combine or change the logarithm to the exponential. Okay, let's see who wants to tell me how to change that to the exponential. The base of the logarithm is 3 here, right? So this is 3. That would be the base of your exponent. That's exactly what we have here. See, the base of the logarithm would be the base of the exponents here. Okay, so it would be 3 to the power of what? What is y here in this equation? We'll just compare.
1.
What is y? 1, yeah.
Y is, yeah.
So it would be 3 to the power of 1. 3 to the power of 1 is equal to what? Anyone? What is x?
2x. 2x.
Yeah, your x is 2x here. Simple as that. Now we're going to solve for x. So what is x here? How do you solve for x? 3 is equal to 2x. What is x?
3 over 2.
Yeah, you just divide both sides by 2, and then you're done. So it's 3 over 2. So you're going to see one problem like this in the next exam. Also, I saw a problem like this in the previous final exam, where you need to solve an equation involving logarithm. So the first step is to combine them using property number 2. And then if this were minus, then it would be x over 2, right? Then you have to use property number 3. And then once we combine this and reduce this to one logarithm, then you can use the definition of the logarithm, change it to the exponential, and from there you solve for x.